So I'm done sewing it from this end, from here down to this side, down to here. So now I'll be flipping it to the right side of my fabric, just like this. Then make sure you use your scissors to push this edge out, to push this mouth out so that it will be pencil. You come this other way, you do the same thing. Use your scissors, bring out the mouth of this place. This is it. So now I'll be inserting my wadding inside. Alright, we'll be keeping this our fabric aside. This is what we've achieved. So now the measurements for our wadding, we have 13.5, okay, 14 inches for the length, for the width, then 14 inches for the length, then the width is 12 inches, okay, 12 inches for the width, then 14 inches for the length. Okay, the next thing will be inserting it right inside our fabric, just like this. You take it inside. Please ensure it is straight and you get to the end. Ensure it's straight. Right, this is what I've gotten. So now I'll take it to my sewing machine. I'll cut off this excess because it's not well trimmed. It's not in a straight line. So you cut it to get the straight line. Then I'll take it to my sewing machine, fold it inside like this. Fold this other one inside like this. Then this one now will be folding. I'll be folding it this way, so it will be coming on top of each other. Then I'll take it to my sewing machine, sew from one end to this other end. Alright. So I'll be folding here like this first. Then the other one, the upper one, you fold it. Make sure it's on a straight line, okay? Make sure the folding, that is the edges, touches the other one. Then you take it to your sewing machine, you sew from one end to the other. Alright, so this is what I've achieved so far. Looking very neat, right? The next thing I'll be doing, you see this edge, you fold it like this, just as if you're doing a hand fan. You fold it like this. When you keep folding, you straighten this side so that it will be straightened, okay? You keep folding it like this till you get to this other, please, video show here, till you get to this other edge. So I'll keep folding it like this. Watch closely, you will understand it. Keep folding it like this, as if you're making a hand fan, like this, till you get to the other end of the fabric. This is what I've achieved so far. You bring it down. Now this is it. Are you seeing a fish mouth? So now how do I gather it? I will use my needle. You pick all these pleats one after the other. If yours is very thick, you can pick it one after the other. Or you can, when doing each of the pleats, you pick and you sew. You pick and sew just like that. If you feel it is very strong and it cannot enter your this thing, your needle cannot pass through it, you just skip as you pick like this, just watch what I'm trying to explain. When you pick like this, are you seeing it? You bring out your thread, your needle, then you keep picking your pleats like this. When you pick each of the pleats, you pin, that is, you tack with your needle. You tack like this. You continue this way till you get to the end of this edge, okay? Just like this. Then you pick the last one and you tack. Please ensure you do it 2 times so that it will be very firm. Ensure you tack it twice after you've done the first one. And if you feel maybe your material is still light after doing it, please lose it. It's better you make a perfect work than doing something at the end of the day your customer will be complaining that is not firm. You can loosen it up, okay? Most especially when you're working with a very soft wadding. If your wadding is not strong, I would advise you use the thick one. And if you can't find the thick one, please ensure you double your wadding so that it will be very firm. It will not be shaking. As you can see, mine is not shaking. It's very firm. Okay. Ensure you use the thick wadding or you double the light wadding. All right. Hope you've gotten that. Then you go ahead. I'm still going ahead repeating the same tacking. You repeat the same tacking. You can do it 2 times or you can do it 3 times so that your work will be very firm. It won't lose. Okay. When you're done, you tie, okay? You tie it, then you cut off the excess thread. And these are fish mouths. You go ahead, arrange it. These are fish mouths. Alright, we'll be keeping this one aside. Now, please note, you can still do it like this. Then use your, whatever, your rose. Then insert it instead of using a loop. instead of adding a loop, because after now we'll be adding a loop to it, that is covering it this way. If you don't want to do it this way, you can go ahead, cover a rose at the middle or a brooch at the middle, okay, whichever way you want it. But for a neat work, I will advise you use a loop on it. So now the measurement for the loop, we'll be working with